Now we look at different types of escape sequences. So as you can see here, we have different types in the screen. As you can see in the screen, we have different types of escape sequences, and these sequences will help you in your programming. Especially, I want to highlight the double quote here. As you cannot just use the double quotes as normally. You have to use a backslash, and then after you have to utilize the double quote. So let's get to it and program something based on this. So let's say you wanna just write a message, simple message, perhaps. It's hello there, I'm at home. Please come over and program with me. So let's say you have this sentence and you want it to start at a horizontal tab. So you should shift to the right. I'm not sure, to the right. Right. So if you wanted to shift to the right, you use the horizontal tab. And let's say you want it, hello, I'm at home, and then you want to skip a line, perhaps. So what happens? We'll skip a line, go to the next. The cursor will go to the next line. Let's say perhaps you wanna also use double quotes here. And if you use double quotes here, you can use that. So we're just experimenting for now. Like, well, how can we use this? So let's just check it out and see what's happening. So as you can see, it moved to the right. I'm not sure. Right to the right, it shifted, and then after you use the double quotes, and then it went to the next line over here. So after you skip to the next line, and then after you use please come over and program with me into double quotes. So thank you. See you next time. Subscribe.